Welcome back. After the Kankona tragedy, Chief Officer of Vasco has asked Mormugao councillors to furnish details of dilapidated buildings. The report of these buildings will be submitted to the committee comprising of experts constituted by Goa government. Yashwant Taude has asked all 20 ward councillors to submit the report by 31st January.
पयर काणकोणचे पळयल्यानंतर जे घाई गडबडीन जशे बिल्डिंगी उबे रावता खरेंच लोकांच्या जिवनाक आनी सगळ्याकूच त्रासदायक आसा. गव्हर्मेंटान हे जे काम केलां त्याच बरोबर ज्यो बिल्डिंगी आसा शहराच्यो बिल्डिंगी जितक्यो आसा प्रायवेट त्याच बरोबर गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो ज्यो कितें बिल्डिंगी आसा स्वताच्यो ज्यो अस्तित्वात नासलेल्यो त्या बिल्डिंग्यो ज्यो जीर्ण अवस्थेत जाल्या आनी त्या अवस्थेत म्हणटा तश्यो तेंची ऑफिसां चालू आसा तेंची सर्वे जावपाक जायी आनी तेंची खंय तरी डागडुजी जावपाक जायी नाजाल्यार जर हानिकारक आहा जाल्यार त्योय उडोवपाक जायो आनी गव्हर्मेंटान खरें म्हटल्यार ही बरी आसा.
YB Taude informed that engineering college is asked to inspect the buildings which are in bad shape.
Our municipal buildings are there. We have already returned to engineering college to inspect the buildings and tell us the status of that buildings.
Or would you like to give a message to the people through us, through media?
People also should come forward to inform such things if any complaint with them or they have any knowledge of such buildings. And if it is really inhabitant, then they should come forward and they should also cooperate whenever we issue notice to remove from that buildings.
A reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Goa-India's dream run in beach volleyball came to an end in semi-finals against a strong Portuguese team at Miramar on Saturday. The local duo of Anil Shirodkar and Prahlad Davaskar found their Portuguese rivals too strong to handle. The Portuguese and Sri Lankan men's and women's team have made it to the finals in Lusophonia Games beach volleyball. Meanwhile, in the football at Nehru Stadium, Mozambique beat Sri Lanka to enter the finals.
The beach volleyball action reaches its climax on Sunday evening when Portugal and Sri Lanka face off in men's and women's title clashes. Goa-India's top team of local boys Anil Shirodkar and Prahlad Davaskar crashed out to their superior rivals from Portugal in the semi-finals on Saturday evening. Here are some highlights of the beach volleyball semi-finals from Miramar.
Portuguese 2. Ponta Portugal.
In football, Mozambique got the better of Sri Lanka by a solitary goal that came in the extra time after both teams had played out a goalless regulation time. Meanwhile, India's medal haul in athletics got richer as the hosts bagged gold medals in high jump, steeplechase, 400-meter hurdles and triple jump events.
Graciela Martins in lane 2. Anu Raghavan is dominant at the national junior levels and she will be really the one to watch out for along with Graciela Martins. Sri Lankan Vikramasinghe also a handful. Anu Raghavan and Vikramasinghe up there, but they have Anu Raghavan leading into that final bend. 2 hurdles left. A flight of 10 hurdles is what they have to tackle over 400-meter hurdles. Graciela Martins now coming into that silver medal position, but it's Raghavan all the way.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching